Today I'm going to be doing a how-to and also just a simple overview of this product. It is Meguiar's waterless wash and wax. It is great for if you live in a arid environment and you have water restrictions, or if you live in an apartment complex, or you live in a neighborhood with a strict HOA that doesn't really want you out there washing your car, or if you are on the way to a date, a sales call, if you own a business and you're on your way to a sales call to meet a new client, or whatever, even if you're a doctor and you're headed to the office and you're headed wherever, to an event, and your car is not filthy, but it could use a little bit of wipe down and it could be cleaned a little bit. This product is great for that. Is it good for extremely muddy vehicles? No, absolutely not. Do not recommend it for that. And actually it says on the back here, it says that extremely dirty cars will require multiple microfiber towels. And yeah, so I wouldn't recommend using this product on an extremely muddy vehicle, let's say a mudded up truck. But is it good for something like this, where it just has a little bit of dust, went through a rainstorm, needs a little love, needs a little TLC? Absolutely, it's a great product. So real easy, all I'm gonna do is mix it up. I have a microfiber towel folded in fours. I'm gonna spray it. Then I'm going to wipe it in one direction. Just a simple product to use, simple. Wipe it in one direction. You can spray it again, you can wipe it. I go in straight lines because you don't want to put swirls in there, but as you can see, pretty easy. This is the wet side. I'm just gonna flip it over to the dry side. I'm just gonna do a final wipe. So let me show you what this product can do as well. So you could also use it on glass. It's good on rims as well. So let me show you that real quick. Let me grab the camera. That way you could tell that there's no cuts in this video. It's just straight up, just real life, just reality, because this is what people need to see. So as you can see, sprayed on there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe again, fold it to a dry side of the towel, and then give it a final wipe. Okay, work from the top of the vehicle, from the least dirty to the most dirty section of the vehicle. But as you can see, the vehicle looks good. These rims, pretty easy to use. So what I'm just gonna do it in one little area here. Just gonna spray there, grab this, wipe, and wipe dry. And as you can see, it turned out great. So this product, okay, for everyone to know, this product cost about anywhere from, I don't know, 10 bucks, 11 bucks, 12 bucks, something like that. But it's a good product. You can pick it up from Walmart, O'Reilly's, AutoZone. You can also pick it up from Lowe's and even Harbor Freight. Some Harbor Freights carry this product. It's a good product to have on hand. This is just a how to use this product. Yeah, so be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this. Catch you on the next video, everybody. Bye-bye.